this happen to you? Of course it has. The battery's gone flat in remote control. Let's get inside and I'll show you how to change it. These are the only things you need to remove the battery to your Toyota Prado keyring. Your keyring, obviously, new batteries, and a couple of screwdrivers. I'll show you how to use these in one moment. First of all, you remove the spare emergency key, which is used to unlock your car if your battery is flat. Just put that to the side. And there's a small opening underneath where the emergency key was sitting. Just place your screwdriver in here and turn gently, and it just pops open. And with very minimal force, you open it up. I'll just move these to the side, and this should come out very easily. It should just drop out. Try to remember the orientation when you put them back in. If you can get a small screwdriver, it'll be very helpful. And you just insert that in here, and it just pops out. Put that to the side. Now let's get our new battery. These are very tricky, so I'll come back in a moment. I'd forgotten, it's been a while since I'd opened up a battery, and they're always so hard to open. You have to get scissors to cut these little fellas out. And here we are. Looks like I'm doing a magician's trick. A bit of sleight of hand. New battery goes in. And I did forget to mention, so that should just click into place. Right, very easy. It's got these little tabs, and they will lock into place. The batteries to get are the 1632s, button batteries, 1632. So we'll put that there. So when you're aligning your remote control buttons with your remote, this is where the buttons are that you push, and there's the remote buttons. So you gently put that in there. Takes a little bit. This is made of rubber, so it's a bit squishy. Aha, it's slid in. Okay, and that just clicks into place. Grab your emergency spare key, and that just slots into place. And it's done. Let's go test it. Here we're outside, and no tricks, I haven't done this. And it works, first time. There is so much light behind me. Sorry, I hope there's no flare or flashing. If you liked my little video on the keyring, please like and subscribe. I've got a long way to go. Really would appreciate it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.